Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the number of lines of symmetry in the following figure, and we have given one figure here. Firstly, let us see what is line of symmetry. If a line divides a figure into two parts such that when the figure is folded about the line, the two parts of the figure coincide, then the line is known as a line of symmetry. Therefore, here for the given figure, we have given the figure like this. So for the given figure, there will be lines of symmetry like this. Hence, given figure has 4 lines of symmetry.